Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about a few things that can help you as an agent to stay focused and find the right tickets all the time. So let's get started. With hundreds of tickets coming in every day, it's easy to lose focus and prioritize the ticket that needs your attention. Keeping in mind the different ways a customer support agent works, Zoho Desk offers 3 tools that can help you focus better. First on the list is work modes, which is designed especially to give you a view of your choice. We'll go deeper into each one of them in the coming slides. The next one on the list is filters. With predefined filters and the ability to create your own, you can get views of just your open tickets, escalated tickets, SLA breach tickets, and many more. With views and filters, things might get organized, but if you still need to dig deeper and find just that one ticket you have been looking for a long time, then search is your best option. Seeing a list of tickets organized the way you want can really boost up your productivity and bring mental peace. If you haven't already, then let's get those tickets organized in your help desk now. Work modes in Zoho Desk is your answer to organized tickets. With not just one, but 4 different ways to organize your tickets, work modes make your mornings much easier. Each view also gives you a glance into some of the important ticket details like ticket owner name, status of the ticket, number of threaded conversations, and others. Sorting is all automatic. So for example, if you close a ticket, it automatically moves from the open ticket queue to the closed one. Now let's get into the product and see how this works. In the tickets view page, click the drop down here to view all the work modes available. We will go one by one, but first let's see what's the status mode. The status mode orders your request into columns based on their current status. It helps you prioritize and focus on moving requests to the next step. By default, Zoho Desk provides you with 4 statuses: open, on hold, escalated, and closed. You can see the tickets with each one of these statuses here. You can also get a quick glance at the details of the tickets even without opening it. You can see the ticket number, subject of the ticket, customer who sent the ticket, agent to which this ticket is assigned to. If you have a SLA in place, then the due date and time remaining to close the ticket, the status of the ticket, number of threaded conversations that has happened in the ticket, and also the icon that represents the medium through which the ticket came in. If you have created any custom statuses and want to display them here, you can go to the More icon and click on Add Column. The list of all the custom statuses will be displayed. Pick the one that you want to add and click Save. You can move to view the column that you just added using the arrow here. Now let's move on to the next mode, called the Handshake mode. Here your tickets are categorized into columns based on contact type in Zoho CRM. Please note that to view this work mode, you need to have a Zoho CRM account which is integrated with Zoho Desk. If you have done so, then you can view the tickets raised by each of your contact types and prioritize your work accordingly. This way, you can close the tickets raised by your customers on priority without losing visibility. Next on the list is the countdown mode. This orders your ticket into columns based on when they are due. You can clearly see what needs your attention right now, in a few hours, or later in the day. You can also see the tickets that have crossed their due dates. It helps you identify and anticipate peak times as well as quickly close tickets that are about to become overdue. And since the columns are dynamic, tickets move from one column to another based on the ticket submission date. I'll go ahead and change the due time of one of the tickets that is due in an hour to sometime later today and show you how it automatically moves. Now you can see the ticket has moved from due in 1 hour column to 6 hours automatically. Last on the list of work modes is the priority mode. The priority mode orders your tickets into columns based on their current priority. These priorities are either set manually by the agents or based on any ticket assignment rule that you might have. You can change the priority of the ticket to move it from a higher priority column to low. Now that we have learned how to view your tickets based on certain criteria and decluttered your help desk a bit, the next step is to drill down a little further so you find the right tickets inside these work modes and get to work. Filters help you narrow down your tickets further based on a defined set of criteria. Like, you can filter all your unassigned tickets or the SLA violated tickets and see them easily. To make it even easier, Zoho Desk brings you 13 predefined ticket views so you can get started right away. You can even start them and access them easily while keeping a close watch on the number of tickets in each view. Now let's move into Zoho Desk and see how you can view the predefined filters. But before you start with any of the filters, make sure you have a department selected and you are not in the All Departments view, because each view is department specific. After you have selected the department, on the left panel, click the drop down arrow next to all views. This is a list of all your predefined views as well as the ones that you have created. Clicking on the view applies that filter on the work mode that you are at. So for example, we are in the priority work mode and I pick the filter My Overdue Tickets. It will show me all the tickets that were in high priority, low priority and medium priority but are now overdue. You can also choose to see all the tickets that fall under these filters irrespective of work modes. Click on this icon and select from Classic, Compact or Table view. Classic shows you a list of all the tickets that fall under this filter in one single list. If you want to see more number of tickets in one single view, then opt for Compact. It hides a few ticket properties but shows you more number of tickets in one single screen. And if you like spreadsheets, then Table view is your option. Each row displays a ticket and each column shows a ticket property, that is a field. This enables you to view the properties of tickets without having to open the ticket details page. It also allows you to customize what you see on the ticket list by adding or deleting columns. Need a filter which is not available already? Not a problem. You can create your own filters anytime using the custom filters link. Click on the plus icon and here you can create your own view. Let's try creating one. First name your view and then select the criteria. Here I am going to create a filter for all my open tickets that come via Twitter and have a negative sentiment. That way I can easily view these tickets and close them faster to turn around the customer sentiment. Similarly, you can create other views like views to see the tickets that are assigned to your teammates and are still open, so you can jump in and help them when you are done with yours. You can also star a view so that you can find it later easily by clicking on the star icon next to the view name. With your tickets organized and filters drilling them down further, there still might be a need to find that one ticket that you have been looking for. That's what search is for. Zoho Desk provides you with a global search bar that helps you find your tickets much faster. The prediction helps you see the results even before your search is complete, making your work much easier. You also have the option to perform a quick search, faceted search with categories and drill down further, or do an advanced search using and or combinations. To search in Zoho Desk, click the global search icon and start typing your keywords. The prediction shows all the data that matches your keyword under different modules in your Zoho Desk account, like tickets, KB, contacts, and others. If the ticket you are looking for appears in the prediction, you can directly click on it and go to the tickets detailed page, or else click enter to see the whole set of results. Let's click enter and see the whole results here. Even here, if you are not able to find your results and want to drill down further into different categories, that's where faceted search comes in. On the left panel, you can see the different categories and the fields under each to help you drill down further. Let's say you want to search all the tickets that have the keyword replacement, which we just typed, under status open. Just click open under the status category and drill down further. You can keep moving further using these categories and all your selections are applied in combination. To come back, just use the breadcrumbs. If none of these works, you can always search by clicking on the advanced search option here. Here, you can do an and an or combination to get more focused results, like the one we'll just do. So here I just found all the tickets that were in the status open and which had the key subject as replacement. The same advanced search can also be done directly from the global bar. That brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions, tweet out to us at Zoho Desk or drop an email to support@zohodesk.com. Thank you for watching.